I was very excited to read the letter from the US FDA yesterday lowering the risk around paclitaxel-coated devices for the treatment of peripheral artery disease. The meta-analysis a few years ago by Katsanis et al. Raised a lot of questions, which I think were really important for the academic process, but I also had a lot of issues in terms of confounding and patient selection. Myself, and I think a lot of people in the vascular surgery community, felt strongly that paclitaxel was likely not related to mortality, but a lot of that was based on sort of low-level data or our own personal intuition. So it's exciting to see a variety of different data sources upholding these beliefs and suggesting that we're able to treat patients effectively with drug-coated technologies in a safe fashion. There were a number of studies that the FDA used to determine their new risk profile, including the SWEDPAD trial interim analysis, the Voyager PAD study, the German Barmer Health study, the US VA administration study, and the Medicare SAFE PAD study. These are all unique from the original studies included in the Katsanos meta-analysis because they include a much more balanced mix of patients with chronic limb-threatening ischemia and claudication. Many of them accounted for disease severity, and they also accounted for important confounding factors such as patient health conditions, which we know have a significant impact in mortality in patients with peripheral artery disease. I think that these analyses overall come from a lot better designed studies with appropriate power to determine the mortality risk associated with paclitaxel-coated devices, and we can be a lot more confident in the conclusions that these studies prevent compared to the conclusions obtained by the meta-analysis a few years prior. Drug-eluting technology is a game changer in the way that we treat peripheral artery disease because it allows us to move away from technologies such as atherectomy or plain balloon angioplasty that have worse long-term patency or higher complication rates. Personally, I've been using drug-coated technology to treat all of my patients through the increased stage of the FDA with appropriate counseling, but these data are really reassuring and allow me to understand that I made the right decision and that I can use this technology moving forward to get better outcomes for the patients that I'm treating.